Hey guys, welcome to Garden Living in downtown Raleigh in historic Oakwood, steps from everything that you want to be at. Talk about the American dream. This is truly one of my favorite listings I have ever had. You are going to love this home. Let's go check it out. One of the many features you'll love about this house is this big oversized rocking chair front porch. You can hang out on the porch, watch your neighbors go by. What a great way to start your day with coffee or end your day with a drink. So I'm now in the foyer of this beautiful home, and one of the many things that I love is even the front door. It just lets in a lot of light, and what's really cool is you actually walk into a dedicated foyer. You're not just walking into a room. Next thing you'll notice is 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire downstairs. You are gonna love that. It's just open, original hardwoods throughout. Look at this wall of windows. I'm talking lots of light, original windows, original fireplace. This was actually a coal burning fireplace. So you could actually put gas logs here, more modern day, which we like. And then another cool feature, they were actually listed in Carrie magazine in a fall issue. Check this out. They had this beautiful magnolia spray, Aaron Weston Farms. So how cool is that? Right here. And then next, we'll flow right into the big open dining room. How awesome is this? Look at all this great molding, big white trim everywhere. I love the navy too. It's just very timeless, very rich. This is a big table with big chairs, so you can get tons of people in here. They have a lot of furniture, but you still have tons of room. And then we open up into the kitchen, which has totally been updated. Check out the subway tile on the walls. From the countertops all the way to the ceilings, that's a nice touch. Love these painted cabinets. We have granite countertops, a Viking stove, gas stove, and hood. Check out the awesome Bosch refrigerator. Yep, this is gonna convey. We even have this cool little dry bar area over here for your wine and liquor. So now we're in the hallway of the home, and one thing you'll hear me say throughout walking around checking things out is closets. There are a ton of closets in this house, and that's a really unique feature that you don't find in a lot of historic homes, and people always complain about that. So I definitely want to point out tons of closets, and they're big closets, so storage will not be your problem here. Welcome to this amazing updated bathroom. It is literally like a resort spa hotel bathroom. I love it. I love the finishes, the features, everything. What I always tell people is when they buy a historic home, there are two things that they want: updated kitchens and updated bathrooms. And you will find both of those here with this home. So another great feature you'll love about this home is the primary bedroom is on the first floor with an ensuite bathroom that's been fully renovated. You'll love that. We'll get to that later. Walk-in closet with 2 windows, and then another closet with storage all the way up to the 10-foot ceilings. Again, I told you closets, 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 right? Well, you've got tons of them. We have double vanities, huge walk-in shower, multiple shower heads, 2 giant windows that let in a lot of light, and they actually overlook the back garden area, which is awesome. So another cool feature about this house, there's a basement. Oh my gosh, tons of storage down there. Full stand-up, walk-in, dry basement. They've got the world down there, or otherwise I would show you, but it's awesome. You would never in a million years believe this giant backyard that is back here. I'm talking, it is set up ready for a backyard party. We have sitting area here, lush greenery, professionally landscaped, beautiful grass. We have this awesome patio area over here. Come check this out. Fire pit, my very favorite feature, custom made water feature. Yes, this stays, this conveys with the home. Wait, there's more. It's like a second tier backyard. Are you kidding me? It's huge back here. Another sitting area, lounge area, cornhole, of course. Really cool feature, built in the 50s. This is actually a grill. You put a grill top on it, put the wood underneath it, smoke comes out of that chimney. How cool is that? That's actually what Weber based their design off of when Weber grills came out. True fact. And if you'll notice the natural layout of this sort of second tier backyard, it is begging for a pool. Are you kidding me? In-ground pool right here. And last but not least, you're about to see my favorite feature of this home. It is this amazing upstairs suite area. Come check it out. Oh, hey. Well, welcome to this awesome space. It can be dedicated office, gym, or really whatever you want to use it for. It'd be cool to have a little sofa over there, have a giant flat screen TV on this wall. I love this space. Check out the rest of upstairs. They actually have a king-size bed up here. I mean, how cool is that, right? And we're just a short 3-block walk up to Person Street. Come check it out. So what do you think? Great house, right? I'm telling you, historic home, historic Oakwood, walking distance to downtown. You're 3 blocks from Person Street District, which has everything. Amazing backyard oasis, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, great front yard garden. This house is not gonna be on the market long. You better act fast. Time is ticking. Call me, Parker Davis, with the Coley Group.